Yeah, I see it.
Video Hack Day is a day in which we gather folks from all over to come and hack on all things video.
So the idea is that it automatically generates a graphic overlay over the thumbnail.
I love the idea of the things you can now build in the world. You can build them rapidly.
I guess an embedded object.
We're entering this age when everyone wants to understand how they can start working with video, what they can do with it.
Things like Snapchat, Facebook Live, Twitch have really kind of changed the landscape. And so there's a lot of new technologies and APIs available, and that's kind of what everyone's playing with here.
It's really a community event where we have API technologies being presented.
You've made 3 API calls into Switchboard, and now Switchboard is receiving a live stream from your source.
We have many sponsors here who have new technologies that they want people to play with and try out and see what they build with it.
Things like feeds and recommendations and analytics. So we're just here to engage with the community and also give them opportunities to work with all the cool tech we have.
At a hack day like this, we only have about 10 to 12 hours to build something. So it's taking a bunch of pre-made technology and trying to put it together.
Say, here's a bunch of our code that you can use. So it makes it possible for these like hackathons that happen in like 8 hours. Because before it took like such a long time to make something.
Using user-generated content, using it in a humane, civic way.
Picking a problem that may be there that's in the world of video, and you're hacking it as fast as you can to come up with some type of MVP or some type of solution to solve that problem.
Part of them are from companies, others are students, and there are also some creative people, and they form teams together.
We used to like be in like dance crews and stuff like that, and it's just kind of like, it's hard to like meet other dancers.
This idea is something that came out of my experience as a graduate student. I go to NYU Tandon.
We're all actually UX people on this team.
Some of my former students, and I like them, and I hope they like me, so it's a good time.
We responded to the challenge of Cindy Gallop, who's the CEO of Make Love Not Porn. She wants to create a very safe, sex-positive sexting app for couples to use.
So this is Jennifer. She's 26 years old.
That's consensual and that allows people to very safely upload stories to a social platform.
We're working on an application called Accumulate. The problem scientists have in the lab today is that we have a problem reproducing other scientists' work. So I had this idea where we would make a platform where it would be easier for scientists to transcribe their notes through voice to text, as well as take video of what they're doing so other scientists can see it.
We're getting from web clients and other mobile clients. It could be live streaming, it could be recorded videos, it could be just video playback. Just throw something together to see whether it works.
It's really to kind of explore the technologies, play with them, and launch something fun.
Like levels, like it's a live stream chat room game where you pair up with somebody and you just have a dance battle with them, and then audiences can come watch the video and then they can vote who they think won.
You have heard of the ring, you want them to tell you that it's usually
The conversation went back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. We know that that subject is hot.
We're working on an app right now called Pick Me Up, and then you can view all of your past affirmations. That lets you pre-record self-affirmations.
I know you're really nervous about finishing this hackathon, but no matter what, even if you don't complete it, you still did an awesome job.
What it is basically a video marketplace of eBay.
The voice recognition picks up
So instead of someone writing out their product and someone pitching their product through text, we're thinking maybe you can pitch your product through video.
There's a way for international people or refugees to get in contact with their family.
It takes video thumbnails and translates them into meaning.
Happy birthday, Grandma!
great thing about Hack Day is it's a great way for people to experience new technologies. If you're just learning how to code, it's your first opportunity to get together with some other people and go build a project.
I think they want to figure out how difficult it is or how easy it might be, and hopefully they get out of it that they can do a lot of stuff in little time.
I'm non-technical, I don't code as much, but every time I come to one of these, I always learn a lot, and I always meet like really interesting people that are always willing to teach us.
I am trying to build my UX skills, and every time I come to one of these, I'm worried I'm in over my head, but I always learn a lot of new stuff, and it's always a lot of fun.
Seeing people scrum together and work hard, and providing that space and that opportunity, that impetus, it's great for the common good and for everybody here.
If you're able to build such a great thing within, like a limited amount of time, who knows what you can build, over a few days or a few weeks.
Some amazing origin stories that come out of places like this, so that's the hope.
Every once in a while, something will come out of this where it'll be a project that get launched. But more importantly, often what comes out of this is people who decide they like working with each other and they keep working together and then they launch something else down the road.
Just being part of something big and maybe winning a cool prize, but I think we're just all here to have fun in the end.